My name is Lynn with WTI.
I love to ocean swim, and I especially love to film what I see, like finding baby jellyfish, but it was like swimming through the stars. This AKASO camera allows me to document delightful surprises that I find. Filming the lion-maned jellyfish, they're so beautiful. Here, this starfish just landed on my glove. I enjoyed these seascapes, the grasses flowing in the water, and as I came up, this beautiful view that looks like a painting. It gives me so much joy in my life to film these beautiful creatures and sceneries. And of course, at the very end of my swim, this little crab trying to run away from me. It's something that's special, and I'm grateful to have such a good camera. It is a small camera, very lightweight and easy to carry. It came with all the things I needed, including this case and attachments. And I'm glad to have this camera that gives me good quality footage.
And that's my point of view.